Good morning, YouTubers. I order again from Lazada.sg. Singapore dollars 15.90. And I drinking yet again Malaysia Nescafe instant coffee added with milk. But this cup is not more from Lazada. This is from Causeway Point. Okay, so this is from Xiao Nan Nan is Chao, manufactured in Chao市潮安区东风镇理顺电器厂OK。This type. This is a 15 cm. 15 cm. 15 cm. BBQ grill plate. See, it's roughly the size of my head. So this type will be very portable to bring as a traveling grilling equipment as you go to foreign countries. The plug is this way, so it's better that you get this type of 3-ply plug, okay, to plug it this way. One thing about disadvantage of this manufacturing, 我看我讲中文比较好当然如果这个厂商如果要跟他反映的话，因为你的那个charging wire 做得太短了是不是可以做长一点？因为有时候有些人的那个厨房的那个插头没有可能这样短的啦，这样短怎样去？这样叫 OK。If the charging wire is so short, right? Then you have to use an extension plug. Okay, that's it. Then for the cleaning of it, they have the instruction manual in Chinese to teach you how to clean it. I believe those who have eat buy those thin slices of Japanese shabu meat. Of course, we know how to take care of this type of BBQ grilling plate. Okay, see you later.